Okay, I'm gonna show you the Mazemen operation. So this is the already put the Shio, dale, and oil. Today I use shrimp oil. You can use the garlic oil too. It's gonna be like pasta. And this noodle is you don't have to wash. So just after cook it, directly put it in, and then mix well. Smells good. Okay. Okay. After mix well, the like mountain, and this is the meat. I already made it. And then chive, and then mushroom, and then garlic. A little bit. You can add more. And then moyashi, green onion. You make a contrast for the topping, and then nori. Okay, and then the center, put the poached egg. In Japanese style, it's used just low yolk, but I'm kind of scared to serve the low yolk to the American customer. And this fish powder, it's kind of curious for using for this powder to American customer, but it makes kind of impact to the food, so I recommend to use it. Okay, so it's very simple. Done.